there was a question on, this person said, I do not understand what to do when it says from 330 degrees. The whole process of subtracting 180. Okay, so what we see these in some of these vector application problems. So let's say we've got, what they'll do is they'll say something like an airplane is traveling due north. Okay, and so one thing that we were trying to simplify for this year, and it made it on some of the quizzes questions, was we were trying to avoid the aerial navigation real fast. We were trying to simplify since coronavirus makes things complicated. The unit circle goes 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, and then you get back to 360 over here, right? Okay, so we're moving. That was supposed to be, okay. You're moving in a counterclockwise direction, and that's the unit circle, and so often we'll just kind of have all of our angles based on that. But they do introduce this idea of aerial navigation. And with that, what we do instead is that we start with 0 degrees due north. Okay, so you've got north, east, you've got south, and you've got west. And so we're going to move clockwise now for aerial navigation. The good news is it looks confusing, but if you just draw it, all the math works out the same way. Okay, so so with this problem, we might say we have an airplane traveling due north, and then the wind is going a certain, the wind might be coming, they may say the wind is coming from 330. And so what that means is it's, well, in this particular, if they've used aerial navigation, 330 is going to be, well, this would be now 360 when I've come all the way around. So 330 is going to be coming from this direction like this, okay? So, or maybe more like that. Okay, but it's going this way. Okay, well, so what that means is that we need to, that our vector is coming from, meaning starting here going like this. Oh, hang on, I've just confused myself. Okay, no, I'm so sorry. So it's coming from 330, but notice that it's coming from that way, but it's going in this particular direction. Well, so here's that, okay, if it's pushing the front of that airplane, our resultant becomes this piece right there. Okay, let me draw that again a little bit better. So we're moving in this direction. We're coming from, which means this is pushing you this way. Okay, so if this is 0 degrees, this one is going in that direction. It's not going, 330 would be out this way, would be pushing you this way, but it's pushing you 180 degrees off of that. Okay, so when they say from, then subtract 180 because, okay, back to the unit circle. 330, we know to be something like this. So if it's coming from 330, that means what it's doing is it's going 150. Okay, just be careful. Whenever you see the word from, subtract 180. We're going to move past this relatively soon. So let me know if that cleared things up. If not, I'll try again if I can. Okay, good luck.